Yes. Oh.
Hi! Hi, weirdlings. We're at the best here. Kit's there.
I guess I am, yeah.
And today's Kit's birthday.
Hey.
Oh, and back there is Chele, the one that we got that bag full of hematite for. She's awesome.
And the road is curvy.
Yes.
And my camera is hazy.
Yes, super glue will do.
And the car is starting to fog up. We're full of hot air here.
That's you. You're so hot. It's your day.
It's true. I am pretty fucking hot.
Now let's give a nice round of singing to Kit.
Let's not.
Happy birthday, dear unicorn. Happy birthday, dear unicorn.
I'm going to murder her in her sleep.
She knows where I sleep. In the middle of the night, if I'm asleep and the lights are off, the dogs won't even bark if you come in.
Oh, wow.
Like,
good guard dogs.
And they'll just look up. They won't even look up at you. They're like, huh, whatever, there's noise.
On the upside, our rat here has figured out how to change a light switch. Yay!
Yes, I did that all on my own. I feel so proud. And I did have a little difficulty with it.
Well, that's to be expected.
I didn't have my dad turn the power off.
Oops.
And so I tried to unscrew the thing, and it shocked me.
Yeah, that's kind of bound to happen if there's power flowing to it.
It's like this really old house, because the wires weren't copper. They were steel, like really thick steel. I couldn't bend it with my pliers.
Nice.
And the wrapping wasn't plastic or rubber or whatever the hell that stuff is. It looked like a shoelace.
Oh,
you know,
yeah.
how, like the outside layer
the cloth.
of a shoelace? Yeah. So it's a really old house, no grounding wire.
Oh, man.
But I changed it, and I got it working.
And got a little shock for her troubles?
Yes. And then I went to put, like, the faceplate on it, and I can't get it to fit in the little hole cut into the paneling. So...
Oops.
And then I accidentally put the wrong screws in, so instead of being the nice painted ones that match, it's the steel ones that bound the old light thing inside.
Wow.
So wait, one of them is colored correctly. One of them's the right one.
So what you do is you find a nifty, scrolled, like, antique-looking faceplate for your switch.
Oh, I still have the screw for the faceplate, I just haven't.
No. I mean, totally swap out the faceplate. You can find decorative faceplates.
Yes, but it has to, like, fit in this very precise hole cut into the paneling.
That's why you measure it.
But measuring is too much work. I'm not a guy with a ruler by my bed, you know?
Oh, wow.
Yes, I went there.
Yes, you did. Bravo.
Right? Anyway, we are on our way to Portland.
Yep.
For her birthday. Okay. It's this week.
Yeah.
I will post this video as soon as I get home.
As soon as you get the video.
As soon as I get the video.
I might post it tonight.
Yeah, go ahead.
Right? It's not as if I can't steal your account. The shorting of videos is due to technical complications. What happened was my memory card had to be completely reset, which means it wiped everything that was on it prior.
You can see deer.
That was
So right up here around the corner, there's another deer crossing sign.
Yeah.
Warning sign. Somebody put a penis on it.
Get out of the road, you stupid ass squirrel. Whoop! That was close. No.
Okay. I'm too nice to run over squirrels. I chase cats, so I'm gonna...
Then we will avoid going to Portland's Cat Cafe.
No, there's like these... There are these two cats that somehow always manage to make it into the backyard and kill the birds my dad feeds. And so whenever those two are in the neighborhood, I kind of chase them whenever they're on the road.
Yeah.
I don't like go off the road or like swerve to hit them, but I like speed up and chase them.
I took my little 82 Honda off-road.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, the one where we got mud on the roof.
Yep. That was actually just mudding. Over here you have the very, very blurry view. What you have is the former site of the Celilo Falls.
The river's a little low.
Mm-hmm. Not a whole lot of runoff this year. Hasn't been a whole lot of snow.
There's been a lot of snow in Condon.
Well, that's Condom. What do you expect?
Yeah. Well, you see, we normally don't get snow. We get like 6 months of freezing fog.
Oh, fun.
Okay, more like 5 months. But so then we end up with like 6 inches of ice on the road because
Yay!
it never thaws. It just builds up on itself.
Yep, and it builds up on the power lines.
Yeah. I had a friend tell me that power lines are designed to not have ice build up on them. And I'm like, really?
Really?
What is this white stuff on my power lines then? She also told me that the reason why birds sit on power lines is because they get a nice buzz and they like it.
Okay, I just got a message from my mom.
Okay.
And it says, Darcel XV, you should go see the show. Bunch of drag queens doing comedy and cabaret. Lots of audience interaction and fun. My mother is telling us to go see drag queens.
I'll go see drag queens. I will be horrified for where they put their penises.
Don't think about it.
Don't think about it.
Don't think about it.
But that's like half the fun. I'm a horrible person. I don't like comedians. Like comic actors.
Yeah.
I don't like them.
Did you watch him in 1 Hour Photo?
No.
Oh, that's not comedy.
Okay. Might try that one. I liked him in Jumanji.
What's happened to this road?
I don't know.
Everything is closed. Anyways, you liked him in Jumanji,
Yeah.
which is a comedic role.
Yes, but it fits the character.
Yeah.
If there's just this random comedic person, then I don't like it.
What about Aladdin?
That was good.
Mm-hmm.
I like comedy actors in animated more than live action.
Yeah. So what's your take on Jim Carrey?
Oh, God. The only
Did you ever watch Yes Man?
Nope.
Oh. You know, a lot of
The
people...
only thing I've seen him in that I liked was The Grinch, and that was still a little weird to me.
I look forward to seeing Benedict Cumberbatch as the Grinch.
Wait, when's this happening?
I think it's like this winter. He's got the perfect smile for it.
Yes, but I thought that What's-His-Face's widow said that there was going to be no more live action of his her husband's work after The Cat in the Hat and The Hope Joke.
Well, you mean Theodore Geisel's widow?
Yeah, whoever Dr. Seuss is.
Yeah, Theodore Geisel.
Yeah.
Which, oh yeah, that would be this month as well.
Oh, Dr. Seuss Day?
Uh-huh.
Oh, my school used to have like the most awesome Dr. Seuss Day. We had to play snitch ball, and we spent like 3 hours with younger kids reading them Dr. Seuss books.
Nice. I seriously want to do a speech jammer video of us reading Fox and Socks. Can you imagine the horror that would be?
Well, since I've never actually tried speech jammer, not really.
Well, if you watch enough of the speech jammer videos, you find people just cannot speak normally listening to their own voices.
Yeah.
And to try to read the Fox and Socks, which is basically a tongue twister in and of itself,
Yeah.
and combine that with listening to your own voice on delay, would be hell. But it would be comedy gold.
Comedy gold! You can't say comedy gold and not expect me to think of Galavan.
Oh, well, I totally expected it. That's why I said it.
And he tosses him off the balcony.
Yep.
He was your surprised.
I don't think Michelle has seen Gallivant.
I don't think so.
Oh. We both have our computers, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. We're going to hook her up with some comedy gold.
That is one of the very few comedic shows that I like. You're so stupid.
There's a red light there, just so you know.
Yeah. No, there's not.
Okay.
You lied to me!
No, I just made it green.
It's the power of your birthday.
Yes. Anyways, 2 seasons of Gallivant was not enough.
Yeah. I want to know what happened with Gareth and Madalena.
Yeah. Why are we going this way?
Because I wanted to, and it seemed like a good idea at the time.
Okay. The only place in town that has non-ethanol gas.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. And it's on a shitty little corner.
Yeah. I've gone there a couple of times. It sucks. Slug fake blood. Slug
No.
fake bug. Silver, no returns. There.
That was not a slug bug.
I said slug fake blood. Bug. Blah, 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 blah.
Okay, people. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye now.
Bye.